Okay, question number one to the year 2025. This is March. Explain the requirements for classifications of a ship, including the role of classification society in ensuring compliance with safety and construction standards. The part B is to discuss a scenario where a ship has two classification society. How is the process managed and who is responsible for conducting the statutory certificates and audits in such case? Right. So, requirement for a classification of a ship. Classification of a ship is a process by which a vessel is evaluated and certified by a classification society to ensure compliance with technical safety and construction standards. The requirement starts with the design review. The ship's plans and specifications are reviewed before construction. They must comply with class society's rules and standards. Construction survey. Shipbuilding is supervised to ensure it follows approved plans. Survey includes hull, structure, machinery, propulsion, and electrical equipments. There is the initial classification survey conducted after construction. Vessel receives class certificate if all the rules are met. And then there are periodic surveys. They are the annual surveys, intermediate surveys, and special surveys every 5 years. CSM. And comes the compliance with IMO and flag state requirement. Right. The design review, the construction survey, initial classification survey, periodic surveys, continuous machinery survey, and classification with compliance with IMO and flag state requirement. The role of classification society is to set technical standards, that's structural strength, integrity, and function of essential systems. Also to certify compliance, issue class certificates and statutory certificates. Safety assurance, ensure vessel is seaworthy and safe for crew, cargo, and environment. Monitor and audit, conduct regular audit and inspections. So dual classification, how it is managed. Sometimes a ship may be classed in by two classification society, usually when transitioning from one to another under a dual class agreement. So the scenario of dual classification, when it occurs, transfer from one class to another, mutual recognition agreement between the societies, charter or owner requirement. Okay. Now this is not required. Responsibility of statutory surveys. Only one classification society is authorized by flag state to carry out the statutory surveys and audits. This includes the SOLAS, MARPOL, ISM code, ISPS, MLC audits. The other classification society will conduct class-specific technical inspections only. So the key points again is International Association of Classification Societies, harmonized procedures govern dual class management. Clear delegation is crucial to avoid survey duplication. Cooperation ensures smooth transition or continued dual compliance.